Hello, we are Team 73, and this is our You Type They Talk appointment solution for improving student access to mental health resources by protecting client confidentiality. To introduce ourselves before we begin, our names are Nikita Daniel, Julianna Caton, Madeleine Lee, Anusha Santhapur, Adithi Voleti, and Jacalyn Wasserman.
To give a summary of our project, the problem we sought to address was that in order to take advantage of virtual appointments, students currently need a private space, yet not all students have access to one. Our proposed implementation of a hybridized style appointment option, in which a student could type their responses through the whiteboard feature on BlueJeans, would enable students to hold appointments with mental health professionals without the fear of being overheard by roommates. There are many reasons that BlueJeans is the ideal choice, including that it is HIPAA compliant, cheap, instantaneous, and allows for different combinations of video, audio, and typing.
To better understand student needs, we spoke to multiple experts on campus and conducted our own survey. Overall, we found that the majority of students have multiple roommates with very little personal space. Notably, when we are off campus, 54% of students do not have access to a private location. When we are on campus, this number reaches as high as approximately 40%. Fortunately, the student body appears to be receptive to our ideas, with 86% finding it beneficial and 74% indicating that it would be their preferred method of conducting a virtual visit.
In terms of the logistics, our U-Type They Talk solution would be one available appointment option from which students could choose. Scheduling would proceed as normal, and the instructional document we created on how to work the whiteboard would be sent to them along with the usual pre-visit paperwork.
A typical U-type They Talk appointment is structured so that a student can hear and see the counselor who uses their audio and video as normal. However, the student has the added option of using the whiteboard feature to type the responses, in addition to having access to video or audio if they feel comfortable using it. Not only does the increased confidentiality through the written feature help protect both the counselor and the student, the transmission of typed responses/drawings is instantaneous text to screen, which helps reduce time demands and filtering of responses.
It is highly likely that even after the COVID pandemic is over, virtual appointments will continue due to their convenience and accessibility. As such, our proposal will continue to be a relevant and viable way of protecting confidentiality for students who want to use virtual visits but may not have a place in which they feel comfortable speaking freely. Moreover, this solution has applications for any campus resource that conducts virtual appointments and thus can expand. Additionally, by finding a way to repurpose a pre-existing technology, we ensured that almost every cost associated with our solution is already funded, from the software used to the staff participating in it.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.